In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an IBAN with Wise in just 5 minutes. First things first, open up your internet browser. This could be any browser you have installed on your computer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you've got your browser open, head over to the search bar. Type in Wise and hit enter. What you're looking for is the official Wise website, so from your search results, pick the entry that has the URL wise.com. Once you've found that, go ahead and click on it to proceed to their site. Now that you're on the Wise homepage, you should see an option to log in. It might be up at the top right corner of the page, so keep an eye out for that login button and click on it when you find it. Once you're at the login screen, you'll need to enter your credentials. That means typing in your registered email address and password. Be sure you're entering these details carefully to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, there should be an option to reset it, usually located right below the password entry field. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Wise dashboard, which is essentially your home page for the service. From here, it's time to select the currency for which you want to obtain your IBAN. Scroll through the available options and choose the currency you're interested in, whether it's euros, pounds sterling, or any other option that Wise supports. Once you've selected your desired currency, look for the Get Account Details option. This is usually placed somewhere prominently on the page, so it shouldn't be too hard to find. Click on that, and voila! You've just accessed your IBAN. This really is as straightforward as it gets. Providing this account information is what makes Wise particularly useful, especially if you're dealing with international transactions frequently. If you need to share this information, you've got a couple of options. You can either copy your account number directly from the page, or, if you prefer something a bit more formal, you might have an option to download a document containing your account details. This document can then be sent to whoever needs access to your IBAN. There you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to acquire an IBAN through Wise. This process is not only fast, but incredibly user-friendly, making it ideal for anyone who engages in international business or requires multi-currency account details. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying your digital banking experience.